Hi, welcome back to my channel. You remember this? I had done a YouTube live some time back and I had showed how to do this fabric painting. If you haven't watched it, then go watch that. I'll leave the link in the description box below. But what am I going to do with this today? So recently we bought an air fryer. So what I thought is I'll make a small cover kind of a thing with this fabric because I had already done this fabric painting. I didn't want to waste it. So I just cut it as per the size, okay? And now we are going to learn few things, okay? So what are we going to learn? So today I'm going to use one presser foot to do the hemming. So that is what I'm going to show. It's a very simple and short kind of a tutorial, but a very helpful one though. So this is what I have. It's a set of 32 presser foots and I use them. To be honest, I don't use all of them, but I do use a few of them. So the one that we are going to use today is this. It's called hammer foot, okay? So this is the one that we are going to use, okay? Hammer foot. I guess it is clear. Yeah, so this is what we are going to use, and I'm going to show you the difference between this hammer foot and the round hammer foot. So I'll show that in a close-up, and we will also use this stitch guide foot, okay? This is also something that we will be using to fix the lace on this, okay? There is a nice lace that I already had, and luckily the color is what is there. Color matches the color of the flower, so that is what we are going to do today, okay? So watch the video. If you like it, do hit on the like button and do subscribe to my channel, and let's watch it. Yeah. So I'm going to use this foot today. This is the hammer foot, as you can see here, okay? And it helps in getting a very nice hemmed edge. And so this is the one that we will be using. And I said that I will show you the difference. So this is the other one. This is the round hemmed foot. So the difference between this and this is that, you know, in this, you see, there is a groove, right? So this groove helps in getting a rolled kind of an effect, the kind that we use in picot, yeah. So this you can use for picoing, and you can use that with the zigzag stitch that our sewing machines have, okay. I'll show you the close-up of the zigzag stitch also. And so we will not be using this because I don't want a rolled hem. I will be using this because I want a flat hemmed edge, okay. And I will also be using this to guide so that I get a guidance and my lace is totally uniformly attached to the main piece, okay. Firstly, let me change the foot. So it is very easy. There is this knob behind, okay. You just press it, so this drops. You remove this, take this, the foot that you actually want, press this down, and it gets attached, okay. It just gets attached. So I'll keep this one aside for the moment. I'll keep this also aside at the moment, okay. Now let's look at the design. So what we are going to do, this is what we have. So I had some leftover lace like this, as you can see, yeah. So I will be adding this one line. I will be adding here. So the kind of length that I have of this lace, I can get 3 rows, yeah. So I'm thinking I'll add one line here, and then I will add one line here, and then maybe another one line towards the end. And then I also have this lace, yeah. This is not exactly the same shade, but it will go because this color is there in the flower, okay. So this is something I will finish it with. So I will be adding this like this. I will be finishing it off with at the edge, right? Now before anything, what we need to do is we need to finish the edges. We need to hem the edges nicely, okay. So for that, what we do, first I'll show it to you in a rough cloth. You take this fabric piece, okay, and then you fold it, okay, narrow thin fold you do like this, and then we have to put it in this groove, okay. So see, I'm trying to fix it in the groove. If required, take it a bit longer, and see, it goes and sits in the groove. Okay, so once it is fixed, you can release a little bit and pull it, because we want the stitch to happen from the start, and then you have to fold it. It's not that you just keep it like that and it will happen, it will open up. It has a tendency to open up, and then you can start stitching. So this is a rough piece of cloth, in the fair one we'll do it even better. Make sure if it has opened up, you put it back in. See, beautiful finished hem you get with this foot. Isn't it so beautiful? Okay, so now we will do the same thing on the main fabric. So what I am doing is, this is my right side, correct? This is the right side, so I will fold it on the right side only. The reason being, I want the back side to be absolutely clean, because the lace will come and sit like this, okay. It will sit on top, so the fold will anyways get hidden, okay. So that's why I will put it on the right side. So let's do this. Done. As you can see, the edges are so flat and crisp, okay. Now when there is a diagonal, as in when the fabric is in bias, there when you do this, it may happen that you get this kind of wrinkled and waved effect. So what you can do is, you need to iron it, and once you iron it, it will become nice and flat. So I'll just iron it and then I will show it to you. So see, after ironing, it becomes nice and flat, okay. Now we will proceed with the next step. As I had said, I will be adding this. So adding this is very simple. I'll just use matching thread, and I'll just stitch it, okay. And when I'm stitching this other lace on the edges, when I'm stitching this on the edges, that's again something that I will be showing you. Now I am using this stitch guide foot. I'm removing this foot and I'm putting this foot. So now it's done. Next, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to add this lace. So I'm going to keep this here, okay. This is very nice. I want this on top. Yeah, I'm starting it like this, okay. And then I make sure from inside the lace, I am watching it, that this part is aligning with the edge of my piece, okay. So that is what I am doing, so that it is absolutely straight. And then when I am stitching, I am making sure that this is aligning with this tooth, okay. There are markings on this feet, as you can see. This is aligning with this, or you can take either, this is aligning with the fourth one, this is aligning with the second one. Whichever is convenient for you, you can keep a check on that, okay. I am I want to stitch on this one. So this way, you know, I go a little bit slow. So this way you can ensure that the stitch is straight, otherwise you may lose control and the stitch might not be absolutely straight. So that you know, to ensure that it is straight, make sure that you know you go a little bit slow. This is what I used to see my tailors do, you know. They would take it, be very patient and be take it pretty slow at places which are, you know, little bit more tricky. If you are very much used to these kind of stitches, then you can go fast. At the corners, what you need to do is, we need to put a small pleat. Okay, we need to fold it. So you hold it like this, and see, this is still aligned with the edge. Now we will align the lace with this edge. So you know, so this is aligned with this. You pinch it and you make sure that this pinch is as much as possible at the corner. Okay, and then you continue. The alignment has to remain the same. If required, you have to pull it. I'm pulling it a bit because the lace is a bit thick. Sometimes it is difficult for it to move. Now we will continue in exactly the same way. So as you see, this is a very simple project, one of the simplest projects possible, ideal for a beginner. So if you are a beginner, do give this a try. We started with the hemmer foot, which helped us make a very nice, clean, finished hem. And if you liked this video, do give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your friends and put in the comment your views and opinion, or maybe some other foot that you want to see how it's to be used. See you in the next video. Bye bye.